Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Subaru Outback rear wiper. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Subaru Outback is completely off, with the ignition disengaged. Now, gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the window until it clicks into its upright, locked position. This provides clear access to the blade for removal. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Gently press this. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Pay attention to how the old blade was oriented, as this helps with installing the new one correctly. Great job! With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is fully seated and facing the correct direction. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. You're almost done. To finish up, turn on your Subaru and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Watch the new blade as it moves across the window, ensuring it provides a clear, streak-free wipe. This confirms proper installation and functionality. Remember, regular checks keep your visibility optimal. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.